Hi boys and girls, welcome back. In our very last video, I showed you how to use Dominoes to add, to practice your math facts, okay? Now we are actually going to use this strategy to practice math facts. Okay, we're going to be practicing with addition. Last time I showed you how to flip over a domino, count the dots on one side and the dots on the other side, and figure out the sum or the total. So for this domino, we did 0 over here plus 0 on the side, and the sum is 0. This one we'll do up and down again. 1 on the top plus 1, and you got 2. 2 is the sum. I also showed you how you would write those if you had pencil and paper, or a pen and paper, or markers, whatever. If you had anything available, even like scratch paper, you could use the domino and turn it into a math fact. So this is what we wrote for this domino. 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, that's the sum. For this one, we again wrote sideways. 1 plus 1 is 2. This one I set up and down. 4 plus 4, and I got 8. Then I showed you what it would look like if we did it this way. Okay, so now I'm going to take away the paper, and we are just going to practice adding using dominoes only. So let's pretend like you have no pen and paper at home. You found a few dominoes maybe by your seat in the car. Maybe you found them at a friend's house, a neighbor's house, grandma's house. If you're at home, maybe you find some at home, just random in one of your games or your toy box. Okay, and you want to use them for math. Here's what we can do. Just like I showed you last time, we turn them all face down. And one at a time, we flip them over, count, and add the dots. Okay, so I'll start out going up and down. Add the top dots plus the bottom dots. And you would have 4 plus 6. I'm going to give you a few seconds to answer. If you're not sure what 4 plus 6 is, count the dots. The sum of this domino is 10. If you said 10, you get thumbs up. Okay, if you take the top number of dots, which is 4, they're brown, plus the bottom number of dots, which are yellow, we have 6 dots here, you would just add top plus bottom, 4 plus 6, and you would get a sum of 10. For the next domino, we're going to figure out the sum just a little bit faster. This time I'm not going to walk you through the problem. You're going to try it on your own, okay? Remember, if you're not sure, if you can't look at it and quickly identify the number, I will give you a few seconds to count the dots. But you need to get quicker and quicker at this because it builds your fact fluency. Here we go. This one's an easy one. The sum of this domino is 3. To get the answer, you add the number of dots on the top, which is 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, if you had to count it. Plus the number of dots on the bottom, 0. And you would get 3 plus 0 is 3. There's 3 on my fingers. Here's another one. The sum of this domino is 9. If you said 9, kiss your brain. To get the sum 9, we added our 4 brown dots from the top to your 5 blue dots on the bottom, and 4 plus 5 is a total or a sum of 9. Excellent. What is the sum of this domino? 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Figure out the sum of this domino on your own.